Ako si Teacher Cherry from Acurel Pro. At sa vlog na ito, pag-uusapan natin kung paano maging isang online English teacher. Hindi mahalaga kung may experience ka na o wala pa. Welcome na welcome ka dito. Tara, simulan na natin! Alam niyo ba na malaking oportunidad ang pagiging online English teacher? Lalo na ngayon na maraming gustong matuto ng English. Nasa bahay ka lang, kikita ka na. Ano-ano ba ang mga benefits ng pagtuturo online? Una, flexible ang oras. Actually, hawak mo ang oras mo. Gaya ko, nagtuturo ako sa gabi, tapos in the morning, nagsusumba minsan, in the afternoon, nag-gym, at saka may mga errands din sa morning or in the afternoon. So, isisingit mo lang sa schedule mo. Pangalawa, competitive ang salary. So, yeah, depende naman kung anong range ng salary mo. It would depend on how many years of experience in ESL company. So, pangatlo, fulfilling na trabaho kasi matutulungan mo ang mga estudyante mo na matuto. Sa mga experience naman na teachers, malaking advantage ito. Maaari mong i-highlight sa application mo ang mga nagawa mo na, mga natutunan mo, at mga success stories ng mga estudyante mo. Siguradong magkakaroon ka ng maraming interesadong estudyante. Sa mga baguhan naman o walang experience, huwag mag-alala. Maraming companies ang nagbibigay ng training para sa mga newbies. Ipikita mo lang ang enthusiasm at willingness to learn at siguradong matatanggap ka rin. How to apply? Well, how to apply in Acurel Pro? So, madali lang. You have to submit your updated resume at yung 1-minute video introduction. So, ano bang gagawin ng video introduction? Yeah, isasubmit namin yan sa mga clients. Tapos, they will check your accent. So, it will be a screening accent. So, as much as possible, we need teachers who has neutral accent or American accent. So, it's gonna be an American English lesson material. So, yeah, we prefer American accent. Okay. Or neutral accent is acceptable. Okay. So, ganun lang siya kadali. Okay. So, ano naman mga kailangan para maging isang online English teacher? So, you need na maayos na internet connection. At, of course, you must have a good quality of headset and camera. So, sa mga sa internet connection naman, so you need to have a high-speed internet. Okay? And for backups, okay, need mo rin yung backups kasi pag merong mga internet interruption, so hindi naman pwede na mag-stop din yung yung work mo. So, you have to invest. Okay, perhaps you can use your phone in teaching. Well, it depends on the teaching platform. So, yeah, you must have data in your mobile phone. Yeah. And then, for power supply backups, you need to have inverter or generator. Pag malaki na yung earning mo, you have to invest a generator. Pag wala naman, kung baguhan ka lang, so you have to invest in power banks. Okay? Power banks naman, ginagamit mo yon backup din power supply sa phone mo, just in case you are allowed to use your phone in teaching. Okay? So, it depends naman sa teaching platform mo if it allows you to use your mobile phone. If it allows you to use your mobile phone, then that is a good thing. Yeah? So, yeah, you can use that. So, less yung investment. Okay. So, next is I will give tips for success. Okay. Una, be patient and understanding sa mga estudyante. Okay. Kasi sa profession na to, kailangan talagang long patience. If you don't have this, so hindi na lang maging isang teacher. Okay? So this profession is really not for you. Iba-iba, then iba-iba ang learning pace ng bawat isa. So meron madali lang matuto, meron ding matagal matuto, at meron ding mga makukulit. Okay, so you have to adjust your teaching style and must have a lot of patience. Especially these students are not native English speakers, okay? And they have zero level of English, okay? So, I mean, they have zero level in English. So, pangalawa, be creative. Gumamit ng iba't ibang teaching materials like visual aids. Merong ibang teachers, Realia would show Realia. I mean, the real thing. Like if they're teaching Apple, they have to show a real apple on camera. Okay, so meron namang iba would use high technology. Okay, excuse me, teacher. Sinisipon talaga ko. I'm doing this video at midnight. Okay, and I'm so tired of having sipon. Okay, so you have to use high technology like not necessarily high technology, but new technologies like Manicam. Like me, I'm using Manicam. It is just a free version. Okay, I'm just hiding the logo, the free version of it. So if it's a free version, you will find a logo of Manicam in front of, on the video screen. So yeah, so that one can use that, and you can also use games, online games, okay, so that your student will not get bored during the class. Kasi iba-iba rin yung mga estudyante, like they are, well, you have to understand, they are in the comfort zone, okay, they are in the comfort of their home, so you have to know there's a lot of temptation in the student's brain, okay, especially if it's a kid. Okay, so you have to do many things to get their attention, right? Okay, next is, bakit nga ba rewarding ang job na ito? Kasi, bawat progress ng estudyante mo, success mo rin. Nakaka-proud makita silang natututo at nag-i-improve. Okay, iba talaga yung feeling if na-try nyo. Okay, so since sinisipon ako at saka malalim na yung gabi, so sana nag-enjoy kayo at marami kayong natutunan sa vlog na ito. Kung interesado kayo maging English teacher, i-send nyo lang your updated resume at saka yung 1-minute video, at least 1-minute video introduction sa Skype na to. Okay, now, simulan nyo na ang journey nyo ngayon. Kung may mga tanong kayo, i-comment ilang sa baba at susubukan kong sagutin lahat. Huwag kalimutan mag-like, share, at subscribe para sa mga susunod na mga vlogs natin. Maraming salamat mga ka-vlog! Kita-kits sa susunod!